Among Us, the popular multiplayer game of teamwork and betrayal, is a hit among gamers worldwide. While it's primarily known as a mobile game, many players want to enjoy it on their PCs without spending money. In the third step, I show you the exact way to play Among Us for 100% free of cost, so watch till end. The good news is that you can play Among Us on PC for free using various methods. Method 1. Using BlueStacks. Android emulator. BlueStacks is a popular emulator that allows you to play mobile games on your PC. To download, go to the official BlueStacks website and download the emulator. Install BlueStacks on your PC. Log into Google Play Store, open BlueStacks, and log in with your Google account to access the Play Store. Search for Among Us, use the search bar to find Among Us in the Play Store. Click Install to download the game. Play the game after installation. Open Among Us from the BlueStacks home screen and start playing. Method 2. Through Epic Games Store. Epic Games occasionally offers Among Us for free during promotions, and normally on $1, which is very cheap than other sites. Install Epic Games Launcher. Download the launcher from Epic Games. Create an account, register for a free account, or log in if you already have one. Search for Among Us. Use the search bar to locate Among Us in the store. If a promotion is running, you can claim the game for free. Otherwise, it may be available for purchase. Download and play. Add the game to your library and download it to start playing. Method 3. Online browser play. While not the official version, some websites allow you to play Among Us online without downloading. Search for https amongusunonline.net. When the site opens, completely click on the play game, and they will open in the new tab and play the game perfectly. Customize your character and start playing directly in your browser.